Hi, this is Dr. Priyanka Kuri, consultant dermatologist at Aster Whitefield. Today we're going to burst few myths about hair care routine and how to follow your hair care routine on a regular basis. How many times to oil in a week, doctor? Which oil to use are most common questions which we encounter on a daily OPD basis. Whichever oil it is you can use. Basically, oiling is to just prevent the dryness or frizziness which our shampoo creates. Okay, more than the oiling of your hair, it is mainly the massage which helps to improve the circulation for your hair follicles, which in turn helps to grow your hair and have a healthy hair growth. So any oil, for be it matter for your coconut oil, olive oil, or if you want to mix any ingredients in it like your curry leaves, methi dana, or any Ayurvedic preparation, should help you to nourish your hair roots. Give a little massage to it. Weekly 2 times is what I advise. And how long should you keep the oil on your scalp? Ideally, it is only for 1 to 2 hours before you do a head bath. Don't keep it overnight. That's an age-old practice what we used to do before. People used to keep it whole night, where the oil used to seep on your forehead, on your face, which used to give you a lot of acne breakouts. So ideally, you should not keep it for the whole night, only 1 to 2 hours before you do a head bath. And apply hair oil to the strands as well, not only to your scalp, because it will prevent the dryness which a hard water causes, plus which your shampoo causes. So that comes to your oiling. Next comes to your shampooing. Which shampoo to use and how many times in a week? Same way as you do your oiling weekly 2 times, you can use shampoo weekly 2 times, and it is not a very strict rule to do shampooing only 2 times a week. It all depends on your hair type and your daily routine. Say if you're going to gym, you can wash your hair on a daily basis, but don't use a shampoo. Use shampoo only on alternate days. And there is a lot of hype about sulfate shampoos. Doctor, we should not be using sulfate shampoos, or does it cause too much of a damage? Sulfates are nothing but your detergents which will help to cleanse your scalp. So there is no harm in using a sulfate shampoo, but minimize the usage. Say if at all I have a very oily scalp, I need to wash my scalp every alternate days or a daily basis, then do not use a sulfate shampoo on a daily basis. For that, you can use it just monthly once or 2 weeks once based on your build-up. Okay, that will not cause too much of dryness and frizziness. Similarly, even for your curly hair also, we don't tell you to have head bath daily or alternate days, because again that will cause a lot of dryness. For curly hair people, it's better to use shampoo only weekly once, and less usage of your sulfate shampoos, which will cause a lot of dryness. For them, it is always better to use silicone-based shampoos, which are a little milder, which will give you a little bit of conditioning effect. And a lot of shampoos do come with conditioners nowadays, which will help to prevent the frizziness. Next, coming back to your conditioner. Which conditioner to use, or is it compulsory to use a conditioner post your shampoo? Always better to use a conditioner nowadays, because since Bangalore water is very hard, it is advisable to use a conditioner on a regular basis. But when you have active hair fall, please avoid conditioners as much as possible. People do complain that after using conditioners there's a lot of hair fall, doctor. It doesn't suit everyone. So instead of using a conditioner, then you can use a normal oil on top of your hair itself, just to prevent that frizziness. So what we are doing, why we are using a conditioner, is to prevent the frizziness. So you can use a conditioner or an oil to just reduce that frizziness. And never use conditioner to the scalp, it's always to the hair strands itself. Okay, and nowadays we are having leave-in conditioners as well, especially for curly and frizzy hair. So you can use those leave-in conditioners. Avoid gels as much as possible. People use gels to style it around, but minimize the usage of gels. They are not very great for your hair care routine. Next, coming back to your salon treatments, hair spas. Is hair spa advisable? Hair spa is nothing but you're using a hair mask, where the salon people usually apply a lot of hair mask, keep it for a while and then wash it off. So hair masks are nothing but your deep conditioners only. They contain a lot of ceramides or your butters, which will help to moisturize your hair and prevent the frizziness. So you can do that monthly once. You can do it at home also. You can use those hair masks at home. Monthly ones should be more feasible on a day-to-day basis. For any queries regarding your hair care, we are always available at Aster Whitefield Hospital, Bangalore. Thank you.